Hello everyone, today I will share with you how to make a double-layered flower bead bracelet. It can be made into a bracelet or necklace. The bead is 2 millimeters or 3 millimeters in diameter. Leave about 20 centimeters of thread at the end of the bead to prevent it from falling off. Thread for beads. Add one bead and thread another bead. Add another bead. Add a bead to each gap to make a flower bead. Add 2 flower petals and add a flower bead. After having 4 flower petals, thread 2 flower petals from the front. Add 3 flower petals and thread 2 flower petals from the front. After making a flower bead, thread the next flower petal bead. Make it to the desired length. See how to connect the ends at the end. There are many ways to connect the magnetic button at this gap. You can think about it yourself. See how to knot it. Remove the fixing bead at the beginning, not in the same way.